Hello everyone, today we will see the topic of Internet of Things. Technology that enable IoT, IPv6, cheap sensors, cheap bandwidth, cheap processing and smarter smartphones, ubiquitous wireless coverage, big data. Sensors are very important in IoT. Location data using GPS sensors, eyes and ears using cameras and microphone along with sensory organs that can measure everything from temperature to pressure changes. Connectivity. These inputs are digitized and placed onto network. Here we will see LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN will be used. People and processes. These network input can then be combined into bidirectional system that integrate data, people, processes and system for better decision making. How big is the IoT market? 63 devices connected every second. 6.4 billion devices will be connected to the internet and 5.5 million new things will join them each day. Identify business case. Future enablement, service enablement, sales enablement. Environment affected using IoT, manufacturing, transportation, oil, gas and mining, insurance, defense, agriculture, connected home, food services, infrastructure, retail, utilities, hospitalities, logistic, banks, healthcare, smart buildings. IoT maturity. Monitoring the things, then control the things, optimization will do, and finally autonomous. Marking sense of data, but what data? What exactly the data is? Volume, variety, and velocity. Volume is data at scale. Variety is data in many form. Velocity is data in motion. Data ownership, personal, private, public, commercial sensor, data provider. IoT makes sense when you blend the data. Home, waste, health, transport, office. Creating new component of application. Value is created by making sense of data. Here it is data, information, knowledge, understanding, and finally wisdom. In data, it may be empty or full. Information, suppose what kind of vehicle, where is the empty parking lot, who park at this lot. Then knowledge, how to find overstayed vehicles, and understanding how to implement a tire charging. So here we will see complexity of smart city, real-time data input, then raw data, information component, knowledge product. Suppose real-time system, we take the example of bus. Raw data will be location and time of use, number of passengers, journey time and potential delays. Then what is information component? It will be connected to the usage pattern of public transport in different neighborhoods. And finally, knowledge product, it will be improve decision making, feedback to improve public transport services, reducing cost of the delivery of government service, and finally improving crime response time. Same, we take another example of city buildings. Here it is, the raw data will be temperature, environment data, usage pattern, demographics. Then information component will be demographics of mobile internet usage, mapping of cities digital divide, and finally knowledge product will be feedback to improve public transport service, reducing cost of delivery of government service, improving crime response time. And it is very complex in the nature. So what is the smart city now? Five big reason we focus on cities. More than half the world lives in the city. Second is more than 60% of cities have yet to be built. Third is cities are at the forefront of global innovation. By 70% of the world population will live in cities. Cities have been the center of civilization, life and the knowledge for centuries. Buildings, three types of cities: ROI driven, carbon driven, vanity driven. Citizen focus building trust. Citizen centric, second is smart tools and data driven decision, and finally collaborative, responsive, cost effective, accountable, transparent. Vision of the city of the future. Make visible the invisible, sensing the city, provide tool for the citizen to interpret and change the working of the city, and finally open source and open data. Citizen engagement, building the next smart city solution. First of all, crowd sensing will be there. Get citizen input via their smartphone. Second is identify and solve. Identify the location of issues and city authorities response accordingly. Third one will be livable city. Citizen have a better quality of life. Fourth is city indicator. Citizen will see how their cities perform. 5. Rank and decide. Authorities decide and justify their next plan of action. And finally, build next city smart city solution. Leverage innovative IoT solution to solve the pain point of cities inhabitant. Crowdsourcing, destructions of public and private property. SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, radio, TV. Let all citizens be the city's eyes. Here it is: crime, fire, all are required, all aspects are required the Internet of Things. City Act, it is a app for action, not for talking. So what this app will do: gaining insight, optimizing resources, then combining it with magnetic data from other resources. We hope to create near real-time model of Earth time changing magnetic field to aid navigation. Second is mapping static magnetic noise source, for example power transformer and iron pipes, could potentially improve accuracy of the magnetic navigation system. smartcitizen.me, it is the example of that. Build your next smart city solution. How we can build a smart city? In the diagram we will see illegal poster with telephone numbers. City sense will be there. Illegal poster will be useless.